Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to match BPM in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can access. You have your audio recorder right here as well, and so on. So let's go and see how to get started matching the BPM of our tracks in GarageBand. The first thing I'm going to do is open up the audio recorder right here to access my tracks. So this is going to open up this new recording menu where in the upper left corner we can click this middle button to go ahead and access our tracks. So in our track settings right here, we can find our audio recording, we have our keyboard right here, drums, and so on to get started with matching the BPM. So let's go and find the track that we want to go and match the BPM for. So I'm going to tap on the track, and after that, in the upper right corner, you want to click on the settings icon. But after clicking on the settings icon, you can see this is now going to open up your tracks settings. So here you can find your tempo, time signature, key signature, everything you need, and tempo is your BPM. So you want to go and select the tempo that you want to use, set it to whatever you want, and once you're finished, just go ahead and exit out of the settings, and this is going to go ahead and change the BPM for all the tracks and match it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.